Hi, welcome to my channel pibyme Maths. This is by Devan. Here we are solving May-June 2019 Pure Math 1 paper. Let's look at question number 1. We have a function y here. They want us to find dy by dx. So write the function as y is equal to 1 over 8 x cube minus 24 x power half. You move it to the numerator. It becomes x power minus half plus 1. And then differentiate it. So we'll get 1 over 8 times 3x square minus 24 times minus half times x power minus half minus 1, and then plus 1 becomes 0. So it's going to be 3 over 8x square plus 24 over 12 is 12x power minus 3 over 2. That's all. That's just a simple differentiation question. Part B, the point lies 4 comma minus 3 lies on C. Find the equation of the tangent. First we need to find the slope of the tangent. How do we do that? We take dy by dx and replace x by the x coordinate of the point. So the dy by dx is 3 over 8x square, 3 over 8x square, x replace x by x coordinate, plus 12x power minus 3 over 2. That would be the slope actually. So let's calculate this. 3 over 8 times 4 square plus 12 times 4 to the power minus 3 over 2. So it's 15 over 2. So we have a point, we have a slope. Take the point as x1, y1. The equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. So when you reach this step, go back and read the question, because here they want the answer in this format, y equals mx plus c. Sometimes they would ask you to write it in this format where a, b, c are integers, so you need to get rid of the fraction. But in this case you can have fraction. So y plus 3 is 15 over 2x minus 30. Therefore y is equal to 15 over 2x minus 33. That's the equation of the tangent. That's all. Question number 2, part A. Simplify this, write your answer in this format. Just rationalize the denominator. 1 over 4 minus 2 root 2. Multiply and divide by 4 plus 2 root 2. So the numerator is just 4 plus 2 root 2. When you multiply this to a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. On top we can take 2 as a common factor. You will get 2 plus root 2 divided by 4 square is 16 minus, when you square this you are going to get 4 2s are 8. That's 16 minus 8 is 8. So 2 times 2 plus root 2 divided by 8. Cancel, you get 4. So split them, 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 root 2. That looks exactly like this. That's just a 2-mark question. Rationalize the denominator and simplify, write it in the required format. Part B, hence or otherwise solve the equation. When they say solve the equation, you need to make x as a subject. So I'm going to move all the terms with x to the same side of the equation. Take x as a common factor. 4 minus 2 root 2 is equal to 20 root 2. So x is 20 root 2 divided by 4 minus 2 root 2. This is where I'm going to write it this way. 1 over 4 minus 2 root 2. And here I can use the answer from part A, because that's what given in part A, right? And we have written in this format. So I'm going to use this half plus 1 over 4 root 2. So you can write it as 20 root 2 times half plus 1 over 4 root 2. When you multiply these two, 20 over 2 is 10. So we'll get 10 root 2. When you multiply these two, 20 over 4 is 5. Root 2 times root 2 is 2, so you will get just 10. They want the answer in this format, so it is equal to 10 plus 10 root. That's all. Question number 3 now. We have a diagram given. Figure 1 shows the plan of a garden. The marked angles are right angles, the 6 edges are straight lines, the length are shown in the diagram are given in meters. Given that the perimeter is greater than 29, show that this. To find the perimeter, we need to add all the boundary lines. This 2x, this is 5x, this is 6x minus 2. But these two measurements are missing, right? We need to find that. We know the total length is 5x, right? And this is 2x, so this will be 5x minus 2x, 3x. Okay, and then this total length is 6x minus 2, and this length is 2x minus 1. So 6x minus 2 minus 2x minus 1 is 4x minus 1. Or you can do one more thing. When you add this and this, right, you are going to get the total length. So you can take it as 2 times 6x minus 1 also. It's the same thing. This plus this is 6x minus 1. This plus this is 5x. So you can basically write 2 times 5x plus 2 times 6x minus 2 is greater than 29. This is 10x plus 12x is 22x is greater than minus 4 goes to the other side, plus 4, 33. So x is greater than 3 over 2 is 1.5 meter. We got the answer already. Part B. Given also that the area of the garden is less than this, solve the quadratic inequality. Let's find the area of the garden now. We need to divide the shape into some regular shapes actually. So I'm gonna draw a line here. You can draw a line here and divide this way also, up to you. So I'm gonna draw a line here. So this figure is a rectangle, and the area of it is length times breadth plus this figure now, length 2x minus 1 times 2x, right? That's the area. So part B, 3x times 6x minus 2 plus 2x times 2x minus 1 is less than 72, which is 18x square minus 6x plus 4x square minus 2x minus 72 is less than 0. You're going to get 22x square minus 8x minus 72 is less than 0. You're going to divide throughout by 2. 11x square minus 4x minus 36 is less than 0. Let's solve this quadratic function. 11 minus 4 minus 36. 2 and minus 18 over 11. 2 negative 18 over 11. So you can write one more step. X minus 2 times 11x plus 18 is less than 0. Now we got the two critical values. That's not the final solution because we are talking about the inequality here. So when you draw a little diagram, this is minus 18 over 11, this is 2. So when they say less than 0, they are talking about the graph that lies below the x-axis. So the corresponding values of x are minus 18 over 11 to 2. Therefore the solution here is minus 18 over 11 is less than x is less than 2. So what we got here is a solution to B actually, not for C. C now it says state the range of possible values of x. Okay. From part A we got x is less than x is greater than 1.5. In part B, it's minus 18 over 11 is less than x is less than 2. We have two solutions. You need to find the intersection of these two solutions. So that's when you can use a number line actually to find the intersection. Let's say 0 here, minus 18 over 11 here, 1.5 here, 2 here. The first solution is greater than 1.5. The 1.5 is not included. The second one is minus 18 over 11 to 2. Now the intersection of these two number lines are, that means the portion where you have both the number line is from this to this, that's a solution. Therefore 1.5 is less than x is less than 2 is a solution. Question number 4, just an integral question, it's a 5-mark question. Divide each term by 2 root x separately. 4 square x square by 2 root x, 1 over 2 root x dx. So 4 over 2 is 2, x square over root x is x power 2 minus half, which is 4 minus 1, 3 over 2, x power 3 over 2 plus half. You put this on top, it becomes x power minus half dx. Now we integrate it. The first term becomes 2 x power 3 over 2 plus 1, which is 5 over 2 by 5 over 2 plus half. X power minus half plus 1, which is positive half by positive half plus c. So here you're gonna get 4 over 5 x power 5 over 2. Half can be cancelled. X power positive half plus c. That's all. That's one easy 5-mark question. Let's move on to question number 5. Find using algebra all real solutions of this. Take x as a common factor. You will get 2x squared plus 3x minus 35 is 0. Equate it to 0 separately. X is 0 is the first solution. And then when you solve this quadratic, you will get other two solutions. So I'm going to straight away use the calculator to solve it. 2, 3 minus 35. 7 over 2 minus 5. X is 7 over 2. X is minus 5. So write it as a factor. 2x minus 7 times, if you don't write this, you will lose a mark. So that's all. We got 3 solutions already. 0, minus 5, 7 over 2. Let's move on to part B. Hence find all real solutions of this. Okay, in part A we solved this equation. 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 35x is 0. And we got these solutions. X is 0, x is minus 5, x is 7 over 2. When you compare these two equations, in the place of x, you have y minus 5 whole square, right? So in the solution also replace x by y minus 5 whole square and solve again. Okay, that's how we solve this. Square both sides, square root both sides, y minus 5 is still 0, y is equal to 5. That's one solution. Here take a square root both sides, y minus 5 is equal to plus or minus, don't forget to write plus or minus square root of 7 over 2. So y is 5 plus or minus square root of 7 over 2. But here, when you take square root, you cannot take square root of a negative number. No solution here. So you can finally write therefore y is equal to 5 and 5 plus square root of 7 over 2, or you can just put it as plus or minus. That's all.